Look at that gill. That's a beautiful gill. Beautiful, probably 8-incher. It's peeing on me. Let's get her back. I definitely caught some over 10, but definitely not. Oh, that's a good one. I think that was the one that was biting yours.
I'm gonna feel like a 3.5 pounder of mine.
Bluegill? Yeah, it was probably those hybrid ones. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Dink, it's gotta be a dinker. Little guy. There you go. There's a good one. Oh, yep. That's a good one. That one's probably pushing 9. He's got a faux head on him. Oh my gosh. It's a good pumpkin. Look how beautiful that fish is. Holy shit, that's a red ear actually. Ooh. Oh, I hit him on the rock. That's not good. Another big one. There we go. Not as big as I thought, but still a good male. Good male right there.
Can you do like that skip shit?
Dude, you got one, Get it, set it. Nice. Bro didn't even, bro was tripping. That's a decent one.
For bluegill?
Yeah. You already, oh my gosh, we're doubled. We're doubled. It's a good one. Oh my gosh, it's a toad.
This is
Oh gosh, he choked it. Dude, I didn't even think we were gonna. Oh gosh, this one might die. I didn't. Yeah, we gotta fill that thing up.
Bro.
Oh my gosh, he probably choked it too. Look at the size of that pumpkinseed, dude.
Oh, that's
It's a pumpkinseed. Yeah, bring him right there.
that's a beaut.
If I'm bluegill fishing, as long as they're big, I like it.
Yeah.
It's a tank. Oh, that's a view. What are you doing? Dude, I got another one out here.
Oh yeah.
No way. I can't believe how many there are out there.
No.
They're not even on a bed or anything. They're oh my gosh. This is huge. Look at the size of that one.
Oh, that's the biggest one we got.
And he choked it. Actually, that's not too bad. They're pissing all. That's a female. The whiter belly ones are females, and
The whiter ones?
darker bellied ones are males. Yeah, put it out a little further. There we go. They're stacked right there. That's a small one. There you go. Get him. I can't believe how many fish are right there. Alright, let's get double headed right there.
Bro, I'm saying one guy got like 2 on 1 fish.
Here, you got it.
Yep, 2 on.
Get him, you got him. Get him. You think you set the hook too hard? Dude, they are stacked. Another little one. I think you picked all the big ones up. Oh, there you go. You're on. Get him. That one looks decent. I can't believe how many there are right there. That's a decent one.